FosPower banana plugs 12 pairs 24 PCS, closed screw 24K gold-plated banana speaker plug connectors for speaker wire, wall plate, home theater, audio-video receiver, amplifiers and sound systems. Easy installation design. Banana plugs make speaker wire installation a breeze and are great to use with a/V receivers, amplifiers, surround sound systems, banana wall plates. Closed-type design with dual screws isolates wires, which keep them from shorting out, and the two set screws keep the wire connection secure. Color-coded and gold-plated connectors. Banana connectors are gold-plated to resist corrosion, and the collar is color-coded for polarity identification. Works with multiple sizes of speaker wire, compatible with 12 AWG to 18 AWG speaker wire. Limited lifetime warranty. All FosPower products come with a limited lifetime warranty. Gold-plated connector. Prevents corrosion and ensures a smooth connection. Works with multiple sizes of speaker wire. For use with 12 AWG to 18 AWG speaker wire. Design. FosPower's banana plugs make speaker installation simple. They are designed for use with speakers/V receivers, amplifiers, surround sound systems and banana wall plates that use banana-style binding posts. Banana plugs make it easy to connect speaker wire to your amplifiers/receivers and speakers. Color-coded. Conveniently color-coded with two different colors for easy polarity identification. Dual screws. Two set screws secure the speaker wire to the banana plug. Package includes 12 pairs of banana plugs, 24 pieces. Closed type. With the closed type design, the speaker wire enters the banana plug from the rear/back side and is enclosed inside the metal collar. This isolates the wires and keeps them from shorting out.